Today we have a video from Florida State Body Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Gets Arrested After Approaching Traffic Stop. Okay.
No, this ain't, don't come up on my traffic stop like that. Back up. Back up.
I want to make sure.
Back up. You don't roll up on a traffic stop like that.
You do not understand English. I'm here to hold.
Okay, I have a translator coming. You don't come up on my traffic stops.
You hear what he said?
You're about to go to jail.
Look,
You're about to go to jail.
Now you're going to go to jail.
Wow, 12 flag or 1069 code 3,
going to
please.
jail for what?
You're about to go to jail for resisting.
How far I have to go? How far I go? Do not take me. Do not.
You're going to jail now, man.
I'm a USA citizen. I'm asking for help.
Let go.
I'm asking for. I'm following you.
Shoes, no nothing? What the hell?
So you supervisor, please.
He's the chief of police.
I'm asking you. Listen. I'm asking you how far I have to be. I asked how far I have to go.
I told you to back up.
Sir, I'm backing up. I back up.
You're going to jail now.
Come over
I
here.
back up.
Come over here.
Sir.
Put the other hand behind your back.
Sir,
I don't have any.
Call your supervisor. Well, it just so happens you done ran into the chief. Oh, man. I was wondering because his truck must be in the truck to the side. That's not like a regular police vehicle. Because if you see in the beginning, there's like a truck on the side. This truck right here. You see that over there on the side? You just ran into the chief. Oh, man.
I did back up. You brought me behind my car because I'm backing up.
No, you're going to jail.
Sir, I asked how far I need to be. Please, for the... Jesus, please be in this times. Lord, you know what is on my heart. Jesus, you know what is on my heart. Please, touch their heart. I'm just in distress, Jesus. Please. Dear Lord.
You have a cup key?
Dear Lord, please. You know what I came here. I'm just worried. I asked to back up how far so I can back up and be safe and everybody's safe and nobody's scared.
Chief must have a soft heart.
Sir, no.
Yes?
I asked you before. I say how far I have to
back
be.
up. You continue to approach me.
No, sir. I back up. I say how far I have to be and I back up. I'm not moving. I'm not going anywhere, sir.
If you can hold the door, I have another pair of cuffs in the truck.
Sir.
What's that?
I have another pair of cuffs in the truck. You can hold.
I'm not moving. I'm not going anywhere. Look, my cell phone is getting wet. Can you please put it inside the car?
Here, come over here. Walk over here.
Of course. Listen. I am complying with everything. I'm telling you, sir.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving. Where you want me? Where you want me?
Yeah, that's chief truck. See?
Listen, I suffer anxiety. I have health issues. I have health issues, sir.
That's
listen,
okay.
I walk in and
Relax,
they say to back up.
relax.
And I say how far I have to be and I back up.
She said, I got health issues. You think? Yeah, I think we know that. We know that.
Stop. Listen to what they're saying. I'm listening, but they're telling me that I'm going to be arrested, that I'm going to be taken.
23.
Hey, 3.
I back up and I say, what do you want me? And I back up to my car and say, how far I have to be? Can you put that inside my car, please? I don't have money to replace it, the phone.
I'm getting it for you.
I don't have pockets right now.
I'll hold it for you.
I'm just worried. I super anxiety. I told them.
Brother, it's okay.
How far I have to be, just please. And I back home.
Ma'am,
I'm sorry.
stop moving.
I'm super depression. I have to.
Ma'am,
It's hard for me to understand right now.
if you're talking, you can't listen.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
I'll hold on. Okay, we'll explain what's going on, okay? But if you're talking, you can't hear what they're saying.
I understand, sir. I am following instructions.
About 12 o'clock, we're
Back
10
up. I say how far I have to be.
Okay, so he's the one you need to
Now, this is
talk
a
to.
damn shame. They need 3 cuffs. 4 cuffs. This is.
So, she's going to be 10:15. No, she's going to be 10:15. We have 2 DIOs that need to be conducted. I'm going to take her to jail for resisting. Dispatch said that she was on the way. She rolls up. I get out of my car. She starts approaching. I tell her to get back 2-3 times. She continues to advance, and then Chief secured it. So I don't know if she's going to fit in the car. Okay. This is our property that was on the. So I've got two.
Can you put my phone? I just don't want to get it wet.
That's fine. We'll
I don't have money to replace it.
I'm going to try and take the two out of my car and put them in his.
Just put her in his right now and then keep those in yours. Instead of moving people around, we'll just.
Okay.
Sean, you might put her in
Doesn't help, right?
But I asked if they how far back I had to be. Do they have cameras with you with me?
They have cameras. You got
Yes,
cameras right there.
I asked how far I had to be, and I walked back to my car to move back.
Okay.
I'm not trying to. There's nothing I was doing.
We're going.
This is not a debate.
Did she do that? Hold on. Did she do that? Because she keeps saying that she did that. Let's see.
What he said?
Like that. Back up. Back up.
I want to make sure.
Back up.
Listen,
You don't roll up on a
you do not
traffic stop like that.
understand. You do not understand English. I'm here to help.
Okay, I have a translator coming. You don't come up with my traffic stops.
Listen,
What he said?
You're about to go to jail.
look,
You're about to go to jail.
Now you're going to go to jail.
Wow, 12 flagger 1069 code 3,
going to
please.
jail for what?
You're about to go to jail for resisting.
How far I have to go? How far I go? Do not take me.
She says it, but she said it once the cops pretty much already done made up their mind. It's not like she got out and then she said no. I mean, yeah.
We're going. This is not a debate. Remember, let's go.
Listen, okay?
You know everything is happening. What do you think I feel?
Let's go.
I just heard code 3, so I came.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Good job.
Damn, you had Chief out there doing some work. Probably been a little minute since he had to get out there and Chief was probably going to get some coffee or something, man. And then end up pulling those other people over or whatever the case may be. He was just probably chilling. Chief had to dust off the skills, man. He had to get her together, see if he still got it, Damn. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Yeah, she want to roll up to the stop. Hey, it is what it is. Got to get you together too. Well, you want to roll up? You can join. You can join your amigos. Yeah, join your amigos, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.